Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, I will show you how to cancel a Grok AI subscription. Canceling a subscription can often be confusing and time-consuming, especially when you're not familiar with the process. Whether you are looking to switch services, save some money, or simply take a break, knowing exactly how to cancel your Grok AI subscription is essential. In this step-by-step guide, we'll go through the process in detail, ensuring that you face no hurdles along the way. From navigating the website to ensuring you've got that all-important confirmation, we've got you covered. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter if you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, the steps remain the same. Once your browser is up and running, head over to Google. In the search bar, type Grok AI and hit enter. This will pull up a list of search results. Make sure you click on the official Grok AI website. This is crucial because third-party sites might not have the latest features or correct information about your account. Now that you're on the Grok AI website, look towards the lower left corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon or avatar there. Clicking on this will open your account menu. In the menu options, select Settings. This is where you'll find most of the controls related to your account and subscription. Once you're inside the settings menu, you'll need to look for sections that might be labeled as Billing, Plan, Subscription, or even Manage Subscription. These areas typically house options related to your subscription status. Keep an eye out for the option to cancel. Once you locate it, follow the on-screen prompts carefully. These prompts might include important information, such as when your access will end and whether your plan will remain active until the current billing cycle concludes. If there's a confirmation step, make sure you complete it. This step is critical to ensure that your cancellation is properly processed. Sometimes, it might seem like you've canceled, but without confirming, the cancellation might not go through. In case you do not find a cancellation option in the settings, don't worry. There's an alternative method. Open a new browser tab and navigate to console.x.ai. Once there, find the Help, Support, or Contact section. This area should provide you with details on how to email the support team to cancel your subscription. Copy the support email address provided on this page. It's important to use this specific email address, as others might not be legitimate or secure. Now, open your email application or webmail. In the recipient field, paste the support email address you just copied. For the subject line, use something straightforward like Request to cancel my Grok AI subscription. In the body of the email, keep your message concise yet specific. You might write something like, Please cancel my subscription. To assist the support team in locating your account, include the email address linked to your Grok AI account and any relevant subscription details visible in your settings. Avoid sharing sensitive information, such as passwords, full payment details, or private keys. Before you send the email, remember to ask for written confirmation of the cancellation. This will serve as proof that your subscription has been canceled. After sending the email, keep an eye on your inbox and make sure to also check your spam folder for their response. Once you receive confirmation, it's a good idea to return to the Grok AI website. Check your settings again to verify that your plan is marked as canceled or set to end at the end of your current billing period. Keep the confirmation email safe in case you need to refer to it in the future. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to cancel your Grok AI subscription smoothly with all the necessary confirmations. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to cancel a Grok AI subscription quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.